Hello students, today onwards we are starting our online classes. Today I am going to take class 12 mathematics, chapter 3 matrix. First we can see the definition of matrix. What is matrix? Ordered rectangular array of numbers or functions. In here we can see one term ordered. What is ordered? If I am writing two numbers, 2 and 1, the position of 2 and 1 we cannot change. This pair we can say ordered pair. That means the position of numbers are important. That's why we are using ordered. Then matrix representing by capital letter A, B, C, any English alphabet. We can give one name, capital letter A. Then 1, 3, 4. Any numbers. I am going to write some numbers. For representing matrix, always we will use square bracket. Only square bracket. You can see in here some numbers I written 1, 3, 4, some numbers. This numbers is known as elements. Elements of matrix. Otherwise, entries also we will use. Normally, elements we will say. Then, you can see in here, this like first row. This is first row, and then this one is second row. Second row. In this matrix, 2 rows is there. Then next, this is first column. First column. This is second column. Second column. Then this one is third column. Third column. In this matrix, 2 rows are there, then 3 columns are there. Then order of matrix. What is order of matrix means? Number of rows by, this into symbol we will read by, number of rows by number of columns. Number of columns. Equal to, in here, number of rows. 2 rows is there, first row, second row. Number of rows are 2, then by, then number of columns, that is 3. That means the order of this matrix is 2 by 3. Then this 2 by 3, commonly we will write this corner of matrix. 2 by 3. This is 2 by 3 matrix. Now we can study different types of matrix. Types of matrix. First type, column matrix. What is column matrix? It has only one column. In column matrix have only one column. We can see one example. example. 8 minus 2, 4, 3. In this matrix, total 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows is there. 4 rows. Then 1 column. Only 1 column. The order of matrix is 4 by 1. Then you can see in here only 1 column only is there. That's why we can say this is column matrix. This is first step. Then second type, row matrix. It has only 1 row. Same like column matrix only. In here, row matrix means it has only 1 row. You can see one example. 8, 7, 3. And here, number of rows, that is only 1 by number of columns, 1, 2, 3. 1 by 3. The order of this matrix is 1 by 3. That means the number of rows is only 1. That's why we can say this matrix is row matrix. Then third type matrix is square matrix. In here, number of rows equal to number of columns. One example we can see. Matrix A, we'll use square bracket, 2, 8, 4, 1. In here, number of rows, 1, 2. Number of rows, 2. Then number of columns, 1, 2. 2 by 2 matrix. In here, number of rows and number of columns are equal. That's why we can say this is square matrix. Square, you know, all the sides are equal. Same like that. In here, number of rows and number of columns are equal means that type matrix we can say that is square matrix. Then type number 4, a diagonal matrix. We can see one example. Through that example, we can study what is diagonal matrix. Let's give one name, A. Then 2, 0, 0, 0, 4, 0. Look in here, this is number of rows, 1, 2, 3. 3 rows are there. Then number of columns, 1, 2, 3. 3 columns. Then it is an square matrix, but one specialty is there. In here, only diagonal part only some numbers we can see. Others, look, all the elements are zeros. Then this type matrix is known as a diagonal matrix because only diagonal we can see numbers, other elements are zeros. Then this type matrix is known as a diagonal matrix. Keep in mind, always diagonal matrix is a square matrix only. Square matrix because number of rows and number of columns are equal. Then only diagonal elements are some numbers except 0. Then other elements are always 0 only, we can see. Then fifth type, scalar matrix. Scalar matrix. You can see one example. B 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0. And here the order of matrix, number of columns 1 2 3. Then number of rows 3. Then number of columns 1 2 3. This is a square matrix. Then same time this is diagonal matrix. Look in here, the elements of diagonal, that all the elements are equal. Not like previous example, all the diagonal elements are equal. Then this type matrix is known as scalar matrix. All the diagonal elements should be equal, then other elements should be zeros. Then this type matrix is known as scalar matrix. The next type, identity matrix. Let's see one example. Identity. Identity means 1. 1 will be known as identity. Then identity matrix will represent only I, capital letter I. We cannot use A, B, C, any alphabet. We will use only I for representing identity matrix. Then 0 1 0 0 0 1 0. Order is 3 by 3 because 3 rows, 3 columns, that's why. Then this is diagonal matrix only because only diagonal in here. In here only we can see numbers. The number is 1, always 1. 1 means we know that is identity. Then identity matrix is a diagonal matrix only. Then, but in here diagonal element should be 1. Other element should be 0. Identity means 1, isn't it? That's why this diagonal elements always 1. Then identity matrix will represent I. What is order of this matrix? 3 by 3. Then we can write I3. I3 means identity matrix. Same time the order of this matrix is 3 by 3. I3 means 3 by 3 identity matrix. Then I2. I2 means identity matrix. The order of this identity matrix is 2. We can write that identity matrix 1 0 0 1. In here 2 rows is there, then 2 columns. Then the diagonal elements are 1. Then I2 means this is identity matrix with order 2 by 2. The last type, that is zero matrix. Zero matrix. Zero matrix means nothing is there. All the elements are 0. Then zero matrix we will represent only, we will use only alphabet O. We cannot use A, B, C, any other alphabet. We will use always O. Then here this is 2 by 2 zero matrix because 2 rows are there, then 2 columns, 2 by 2. Then O2 means zero matrix with order 2. Then same like that O3 also we can see. O3. This is O3 because 3 rows are there. 1, 2, 3, then 3 columns. O3 means zero matrix with order 3. Then we can see now general form of a matrix. A11, A12, A13, etc. A1J, etc. A1N. A21, A22, A23, etc. A2J, A2N. AI1, AI2, AI3, AIJ, AIN. AM1, AM2, AM3, etc. AMJ, AMN. This is the general form of a matrix. Then A11. What is 1, 1? In here, first one representing first row, the second one representing first column. This element means first row and first column. In here also we can see second term, this element. This element, the position of this element, first row, that is 1, and second column. First row and second column. And then we can see another, this one. This 2 means second row, 3 means third column. The position of this element representing this downside number 2, 3. Second row and third column. Then this is last term, nth row and nth column. Last term. This is the general form of a matrix. We can see some example. Exercise number 3.1. Exercise number 3.1. In here already given one matrix. Question number 1. One matrix given A equal to matrix 2, 5, 19, minus 7. 35 minus 2, 5 by 2, 12, root 3, 1, minus 5, 17. Roman number 1, the order of the matrix. The order of the matrix. Order of the matrix. What is the order of this matrix? Then order of the matrix means number of rows by number of columns. Number of columns. Equal to number of rows. How many rows is there? This one. First row. And then this is second row. We can say R2. Second row. This one is R1. First row, R1. Then this is R3. Third row. And then C1. First column. This is second column. Then this is third column. Last one is fourth column. Means order of the matrix, 3 columns is there, 3 by, then number of 3 rows are there, that's why 3 by the number of columns 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. That is our answer. The order of the matrix is 3 by 4. Then Roman number 2. The number of elements. The number of elements equal to, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that you can count. Otherwise, you know what is order of this matrix. That is 3 rows, then 4 columns. You know, this is our order of matrix. Then just multiple 3 into 4. 3 into 4 is 12. This is number of elements in this matrix. We can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Same. Roman number 3. Write the elements. We have to write some elements. A1, 3. A1, 3. 1 representing rows. First row. In here, this is first row. One is first row. First row and third column. Third column, 1, 2, 3. Third column. First row and third column. Element in first row and third column, that is 19. We can write directly 19. Then A21. A21. Second row. This is second row and first column. This is second row. Then this is first column intersecting in here, 35. These are a required element, 35. Then A33. A33 means third row and third column. Third row in here, 1, 2, 3 is third column. Sorry, third row. This is third row and third column. Two lines intersecting point is -5. That is our required element. A33 means -5. Then A23. A23. 2 means second row. Second row and third column. Third column. This one. Second row and third column. That is 5 by 2. Our element is 5 by 2.